Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn how I made this beautiful fascinator style. You need your fascinator base, your 1 yard crinoline, your Alice band and your 3 pieces flower, and lastly your gum. You start by folding it and then join with a needle and thread. If you are watching this video and you like what you are seeing, oh please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. You will sew the edges round so as to hold it. Okay guys, let me leave you to watch the video course. It's self-explanatory. When you pay attention to every details in this, you will learn it. It's quite easy. After sewing it, you carefully place it on your base. There's the cap. Then gum with your gum. You also gum your Alice band and stick to it as well. Finally, start gumming your pieces of flower to it. Then finally, you fold the crinoline upwards and then gum it together to the cap base so that it will stand. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. You can leave a comment in the comment section, like, subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Thank you.